Let's discuss criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay, we know similar triangles, they have same shape but sizes are different. Okay, we know congruent triangles. Congruent means they have same shape and same size. Okay, in similar triangles, two triangles are similar if the corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Here ABC, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Then the corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. Okay? Angle G, angle C equal to angle F. Okay? And the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. AB by DE equal to AC by DF, which is equal to BC by EF. Okay? Let's discuss one theorem, that is AAA criterion of similarity of two triangles. Here AAA means angle, angle, angle. Okay? See statement, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion and hence two triangles are similar. See these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, here given two triangles, corresponding angles are equal. Okay, given angle A equal to angle D and angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. We need to prove corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Okay, it means AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Okay, AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Okay, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is the sign for is similar to. Okay, this is a sign for similarity. See construction, draw P and Q, P and Q on DE, P on DE, Q on DF such that DP equal to AB and DQ, this P, this is Q, DQ equal to AC respectively and join PQ line. Okay, here DQ equal to AC, DP equal to AB. Okay, is it clear? Here these two sides are equal, AB equal to DP and AC equal to DQ. Okay, in triangle ABC and DPQ. Okay, construct DP equal to AB. Okay, AB equal to DP by construction. Next, here given angle A equal to angle D, corresponding angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle D. Okay, this is the given data. Next, and side AC equal to DQ by construction. Okay, AC equal to DQ. Okay, see this is side, this is angle, this is side. Okay, using side, angle, side criterion. Okay. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay. Triangle ABC is congruent to, this is the sign for congruent. Okay. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Okay. We know congruent figures. If two figures are congruent, then their sides are equal and corresponding sides are equal, and the corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Here corresponding angles equal and corresponding sides also equal. Okay. So angle B equal to angle P. Okay. Angle B equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle P. Why? By corresponding angles of congruent figures. Okay. These two figures are congruent. Okay. We know angle B equal to angle E. This is given. Angle B equal to angle E. Okay. See. Here angle B equal to angle P as well as angle E. Then angle E equal to angle P. Okay. Here angle E equal to angle P. We know if two lines are cut by a transversal. Okay. If two lines are cut by a transversal and the corresponding angles are equal. Angle P, angle E are the corresponding angles. These two angles are equal. Then the lines are parallel. Okay. So PQ line is parallel to EF line. Okay. See note. This is the note. If two lines are cut by a transversal and the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay. Here angle E, B equal to angle E and angle E equal to angle P. Why? Here transversal line. Here angle E equal to angle P. Okay. D is the transversal line. Okay. Here transversal line cut the two lines, PQ line and EF line, and corresponding angles are equal. Then these two lines are parallel. Okay. PQ line is parallel to EF line. Okay. We know basic proportionality theorem. One line is parallel to one side of the triangle. That line divides other two sides in same ratio. Okay. DP by PE equal to DQ by QF. Okay. Using basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Okay. Write reverse of this ratio. PE by DP equal to QF by DQ. Okay. Adding 1 on both sides. PE by DP plus 1 QF by DQ plus 1. Take LCM. LCM is DP. PE plus DP, which is equal to, here LCM is DQ. QF plus DQ. PE plus DP. PE plus DP, which is equal to DE. DE by DP. QF plus DQ, which is equal to DF. DF by this DP. DQ. Write reverse of these ratios. Okay. Reverse. DP by DE equal to DQ by DF. Okay. we know DP exactly equal to AB. Okay, DP exactly equal to AB. And DQ equal to AC. Okay, in place of DP we write AB by DE, which is equal to, in place of DQ we write AC by DF. See, AB by DE equal to AC by DF. These are the corresponding sides ratio. Okay, here these two triangles corresponding sides ratios are equal. Okay, in same way, so we can write BC by EF. Okay, therefore AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Okay, hence this is the AAA criterion of similarity of two triangles.